tondu thibitari yo etagwo thibitari ya Maina na Mwangi. Maina na Mwangi ni mawirika meri ma athuri a Gikuyu, na etagwo self help group tondu yakirwo na ciringi na mathumuni maria mahothetwo ni Aguka na andu aria mari hau gabere gaitu. Na kwena debate nene ya kuga ni twike rifaro ni thie ku memorandum ira ni nyonete na maitho makwa sainitwo ni governor Nyoro na gasainwo na ni Mutahi Kagwe na gasainwo ni Professor Mugenda yoigite bia cia Gatundu ciheanwo nginya mwaka wa 2025. Itigetie miaka itatu mwa tutire tura receive bia cia last year na cia mwaka uyu na uyu tuguka no cionge. No riri ikoiga igathi na mbere koiga ingigatuika ni igatuika rifaro tuka upgraderwo igegania ituike level 4. Ningeuria atiriri ndi Jejo wa Murigi kama menete andu a Gatundu atia tuge thibitari tucoke tutwarwo Gatundu North tutangitigirwo ya Maina na Mwangi iwe ngigituike rifaro andu aitu kana itigwo ya andu aitu hau neguo kana murenda tuthigegani ithinywe ona matigito upgrade Gatu giria karatu to ni wekire Gatundu kana itigwo ya andu aitu andu ni matige kumenyera na wona tukirite turi o kaundu tu kana tigwo ya andu aitu ni twari collaboration na andu megwitwo KURTH na thirikari iria irathire ya Mugathe Uhuru wa Kenyatta yaheaga Gatundu thibitari andu a Gatundu inywe milioni 800 o mwaka. Ndeka mathabu makwa tondu mathabu matiagia muno ndikuria muriria bwana Shifu ni bilioni 2.4. No macini ya x-ray yaguritwo o hindi ya Kenyatta. Hau he mundu uraheni uri ungi andu aitu ni murona kaundu karia ndirageria kumwira twaingira twageria kuria ciuria wakoraga no duma pasta hau mbere igiuria atiriri 2.4 billion ni njui ni budget ya development ya county yothe ya Kiambu ihetwo thibitari ino no ithuĩ macini wathinire no wathie ku gutire kundu nginya thitima tutirari umuthe ni njui twina oxygen plant irahe gutire na thina wa oxygen na ni njui governor maundu mari maingi na no guthie na mbere kumaruta no reke ngwire guku gwitu andu aria maturite moete bia citu no nginya mararamike muhuko wao kiaga
ndabire ngita andu a Kenyatta University ngimana ukaitu ikare thi ni ndenda kumenya mbeca citu icio mwego cigitaro hande jeje 2.4 billion cieko cithiaga ku tukiaria ngicoka ngita andu a ministry na andu aria mandakaritie na andu metagwo Ministry of Health nio mandakaritie tondu ndameta ndamoririe mbeca ni mwandikanire agreement na county ya Kiambu ati ni muri nengeranaga milioni 800 oro mwaka na thibitari gukinyia level ya Gatundu yagire no kuheo mbeca cia national government tondu ithondekaga andu a kuma Uganda mundu wa kuma Murang'a mundu wa kuma Machakos othe nio mahiuraga thibitari ino matukana na ithue ne twana njitana andu itu nikio thibitari yakinyia level 4 na level 5 yago ni kuheo mbeca ni thirikari nene kigo matire tunengeraga mbeca icio ithue mareneaga Kenyatta University na makiandikanira agreement ni ndametire ngimoria mbeca cia thibitari ino tondu tutirona maundu maria mwikite mbeca ici tithu tunengeragwo ni mwandikanire ni nyumureneagwo na ngita nginya minister na ngithie wa visi yake na ngithie wa visi ya PS wetagwo Mr. Tum the permanent secretary ngimoria mbeca ici gukari makijera tuhe time tobe twicirie nigetha tubange mutaratara mwega tumenye mbeca icio nicio ciguraga macini ici ciguku no tondu cierwo abai mweterere nigetha ciuke nigetha twambe twicirie uria mugwika riu wewe governor tondu mbeca ciaku ni kuma thirikari iria nene nduri nacio tinjuku korwo manjirite na andu acio ni andu amwe marenda guthukiria nginya president rĩtwa rĩake president mundu mwega muno President came, okire kinya wabici tukeria nake, akijira reke tubange governor, tucarie dawa, tucoke tucarie machini nigetha twikire. No andu amwe meko thiini makanyitana na nginya na teti na ngimena mibango ya kuya mbeca. Meo magiririe mbeca ciko ciukite up to today. Riu nituninete mwaka mugima wabici. Mbeca ciagiko ciguku na wabata ni atirire andu Gatundu. Nie ndire governor guthi gikombaga ngihoyaga mbeca nie ni njui kwibanga. Machine cio kwa majirite matirarehe ingi nacio guku na nikio ndiratangathire ira before this week is over twike mathabu mange machine ni ngurehe icio cia kuhura guku ciothe matare thiko ithano nginya Friday gako ndicirehete machine cio guku ciothe ndiciekire tondu nie ni njui kubanga maundu makwa no matura haya matuthiururukagia kira ingienda kuria andu aitu a siasa na nywe njenje guku mukiaria na andu a siasa tutige horo wa siasa kana tigo andu aitu murimu ndodaga siasa murimu ndoba kuga ate one wa Jubilee kana one wa UDA kana ya supportaga wa Matangi kana wa supportaga murimu oka ne woka na Thibitari tikiru gya kuhura siasa nakio oyo mundu uyu gwitwo
inspect this facility
and downgrade it.
oh more than let him come and inspect
Because you know
after the inspection we will know what to do.
Yes.
Yeah, but first to do an inspection.
Yeah, because not doing that is rendering this reveling a joke.
But now this is idle because people expect services. So imagine that lady.
Na kelele ya siasa. Unaona kwa nini nilikuwa napiga kelele?
This one is we are at evaluation stage.
For a new machine.
For a new machine because this one is obsolete.
This cannot be repaired.
Yes.
But we must find a way to turn around time.
So in the next maybe.
Although what we would have done was nowadays we have even small portable X-ray machines. You can now smile.
They say you have the capacity to supply.
Even to supply.
Okay, so that one is working.
Yes.
But now, by the time a patient is taking oxygen, they have gone through these other things. So can you ensure these ones are working?
Excuse me, 16. I brought here so that you can do this
Telemedicine. And nowadays, even connecting the equipment.
Yes.
You can have a radiologist sitting
And
in
you
Nairobi
know,
hospital
connected to
reading here.
why I was doing is to connect this one to KUTRH. Some of these specialists wanakusugua hapa ukatumia wale wadagane pale.
Specialists also wako wengi. Ni sasa hizi.
But wako wengi, but they have no equipment to work.
It's not that they're not
So it doesn't help even to have a specialist if they have no tools of trade. You know, a specialist is as good as the equipment. If not, poor to the nurse na CEO.
Beginning of March. We are in April. We are in
President is
February.
coming.
We are already in February. So I'm taking 1 month.
Within 1 month.
Yeah.
I am going
So that's
to,
as we register
Yes.
for in SHA,
Yes.
services must be available.
Yes.
I want you to see another thing for SHA that I was telling you when we were looking at the benefit for SHA. Uko na nini hii ya orthopedic uko na nini wangapi? How many beds? You have an orthopedic ward, isn't it?
Yes, I have an
How many beds?
I have 12 and I have about 26 more.
For the uja borders? Mostly, the
Largely,
accidents.
yes.
Largely. So ile plate yao is not covered with the NHF.
Ile WhatsApp group ile
Those are two nurses. I have a clinical officer. So we run on
About 6 months. We were getting a lot.
Miaka ngapi sister? Flow imekuwa hivyo?
it's like 6 months.
So do you want to deal with the orthopedic issues or just to finish
That just to
their
finish.
NCDs?
Just to fix.
Okay. So these are just offices. Yeah. So we exit this way.
Because we also have NHF.
Here. Yes.
So I move them to go to somewhere where we have more traffic so that they have a...
Also to be a social, you have a social worker?
where is the
So they would be
CME
like
system
the
every
two
month?
patients you have seen.
Probably now.
The NHS is not active.
Because
So they can
Tuanze hii ama kwanza tumalizie yenye tulikuwa nayo?
What you say? I saw.
There's no
We don't
X-ray.
have an X-ray machine.
And you know, it's very so basic. Basic, correct. Wait a minute. The letter with X-ray.
She didn't get.
So she didn't get the X-ray that brought her. She would have just had the service back in her village.
Yeah, she was just the department does not work.
These are level what?
Zero. The X-ray doesn't
You
work.
cannot be level
CT scan
5.
doesn't work.
You cannot be, you are a dispensary, you are level 2.
Exactly.
You don't have
You don't have
CT,
CT scan, you don't have
Ultrasound.
ultrasound.